Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to General, then Date and Time. This is where the clock lives. Once done, you can choose automatic syncing or manual control. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active because automatic time pulls from network and location services. If you plan to set the clock manually, you need to disable automatic sync first. That gives you direct control over the date, time, and time zone, which matters when traveling or testing apps. Once you toggle off Set Automatically, the manual controls become active. This is key because otherwise changes will be overwritten. Next, tap Time Zone to type a city or region which sets the base clock rules. This matters for daylight saving adjustments. Then adjust the hour and minute using the picker wheels. They move smoothly, so nudge them for exact minutes. If you need 24-hour format, switch that option on. Make sure apps reflect the new setting by closing and reopening them. You finish by backing out of settings and confirming the new time across clock, calendar, and the lock screen. This verifies the change system-wide. If the time doesn't stick, restart the iPad. A soft restart usually clears sync glitches. Make sure Location Services is enabled for system services, because Set Automatically can rely on location to pick correct time zone. If problems persist, toggle Set Automatically off and on again, then restart once more. That usually forces a proper network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.